Good day, everyone.
Today we're going to do some experiment about squashing the bottle. Step 1. Insert the funnel in the bottle of 1.5. Step 2. Then fill 2 cups of 1.5 bottle with hot water. Step 3. A few seconds, empty the bottle and put the cover at once.
For procedure activity, what did you observe when the bottle covered?
After the bottle is covered, the bottle compressed by itself.
PTA, what did you observe when the bottle covered and what caused it to happen?
The bottle collapsed due to the heat that the hot water is burning in the bottle.
Thank you.
Put the crushed ice cubes in the bottle, then put the cover on. Shake the bottle so that the inner portion is truly chilled. Then observe the bottle.
And now for procedure activity B, what did you observe when the bottle shake with ice cube and what happened to that?
The bottle is going to have a fogging effect when the bottle is shaking.
Lastly, for the last question, what did you observe about the phenomenon and explain why? So in the first experiment, the pressure and volume decrease as heated water. Vapor evaporates within a bottle. When hot water is removed, the pressure rises, creating a compressed bottle. So in the second experiment, shaking ice cubes causes a fogging effect that reduces bottle volume and modifies pressure. And that's the end of our experimenting the
Squashing the bottle.
See you soon!